Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a non-judicial affidavit. A non-judicial affidavit is essentially a formal, sworn statement of facts that you present outside of a courtroom. People often use these important documents for things like confirming property ownership, stating a change of name, or verifying an address for administrative purposes. They provide a clear and legally recognized way to present information without needing a judge involved. This process ensures your declarations are officially recognized. Your affidavit needs several core elements to be valid and effective. First, clearly identify yourself, the affiant, by your full legal name and current address. Next, accurately state the specific facts you are attesting to. These must be truthful to the best of your knowledge. Always include a declaration that you are signing this document under penalty of perjury. Finally, identify the recipient, such as a government agency or a specific individual, at the top of the document. When drafting, focus on clarity and precision. Use straightforward language, avoiding legal jargon where possible, so anyone can easily understand your statement. Organize your facts logically, perhaps using numbered paragraphs to present each distinct point. Always include the precise date you are signing the document, usually near the top or bottom. If you have supporting papers, clearly label them as exhibits and mention them within your affidavit to provide additional context and strength to your declarations. The final, crucial step is notarization. You must sign your affidavit in front of a notary public. They will confirm your identity and observe you signing, then affix their official seal and signature. This process adds a layer of legal authenticity to your document. Once notarized, make sure to submit the original, completed affidavit to the intended party, whether it is a government office or a private entity. Always keep at least one official copy for your records, perhaps scanning it as a digital backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.